Okay, cities of Pakistan. All cities of Pakistan are connected with each other. Road, rail, and air routes link them together. So all the cities of Pakistan, there are different cities of Pakistan: Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, Quetta, Multan. These all are the cities of Pakistan, and these cities can be connected with each other through railway or through airways. Like railway, we can travel through railways. We can travel through airways, uh, and we can also travel through road as well. Road trips, there are road trips. We can travel through railways, and we can travel through air routes as well. In a large country, flying in the quickest way to travel. Join flight path Pakistan and air tour of our country. So now they are saying that there is a flight path Pakistan. There are some people who are traveling within Pakistan. So they have this flight path called the Flight Path Pakistan, and it is an air route. Flight Path Pakistan lands at some airports of Pakistan for you to visit the city. So this flight path lands, as it is traveling through the air route. So it lands at different airports in Pakistan, so that the people can visit the different cities of Pakistan. The flight path map shows the location of the cities and the route the flight makes. So here we have a map. Here we have a map in which we can see, this is the map. You all can see this. This is the map, and it shows the routes through which the flight path is going to travel from which city, from one city to another. So the first city from where they are going to travel is, the map shows that it takes 1 hour and 25 minutes to fly from Peshawar to Quetta. So it how many time does it takes to travel from Peshawar to Quetta? It takes 1 hour and 25 minutes. So first of all, we will discuss about Islamabad. You all can see Islamabad. So you all know that Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan, right? You all know that Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. So the major part of this modern city was built in 5 years, starting in the year 1961. So the capital city of Pakistan, it is one of the modern cities of Pakistan. So this city was built when Pakistan came into being. After 5 years of Pakistan came into being, so it was very modernized. मतलब कि 5 सालों के अंदर अंदर ही जो है इसको बहुत ज़्यादा मॉडर्नाइज कर दिया गया था. Then what are they saying? The picture shows how carefully Islamabad was planned. It has wide streets with large parks and gardens. So here we have a picture which shows that here we have a picture which shows that how large and how beautifully it is built. The city of Islamabad is built. So the government of Pakistan has its main offices in Islamabad. So main offices, the government's offices, main offices from where the government works are mostly in Islamabad. And a mountain pass through the Magla Hills links this modern city with the ancient city of Taxila. So there is a Magla Hills in Islamabad which connects Islamabad with the ancient city. What do you mean by ancient? Ancient means the old city. There was an old city called Taxila. So Islamabad links with Taxila. How? There is a Magla Hills in Taxila, in Islamabad, which links Islamabad with the ancient city, with the old city of Taxila. The famous Trafasil Mosque is in Islamabad. So there is a famous Trafasil Mosque. You all have heard about Trafasil Mosque. So it is also located in Islamabad. So what about the weather of Islamabad? So the weather of Islamabad, summers are hot with an average of 1145 millimeter of rain in July and August. So the summers are, as usual, summers are hot. Within the whole country, Pakistan has hot summers. So Islamabad also has hot summers, but as compared to Karachi, it's not that much hot that it's in Karachi. So and 1,145 millimeter of rain. There's 1,145 millimeter of rain from July to August. So from July to August, it is a very rainy season for Islamabad. There is winter frost at night from December to February. So February, have you? We all know that Islamabad is a, it has winter season more as compared to Karachi. So कराची में इतनी ज़्यादा सर्दी नहीं होती जितनी ज़्यादा इस्लामाबाद में होती है. तो इस्लामाबाद में क्या है, इस्लामाबाद में विंटर सीजन में जो है बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रॉस्ट होता है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फ्रॉस्ट? फ्रॉस्ट मीन्स दैट के इट्स अबाउट टू फ्रीजिंग, फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट हो जाता है, इतनी ज़्यादा सर्दी होती है इन द विंटर सीजन.